Started lightning. I got the hell out of here. That is definitely something right there. That's definitely. Holy Jesus. It's about 6 o'clock. I just hope it goes a little north. Definitely on the ground. Holy shit. I hope the bells aren't for me. Jesus. Oh. That's something wrong. I don't know what. Give a contrast of the north view. See, this is north. I think we're the only ones crazy enough to be up here doing this. Give you a sense of the wind. Looks like it's getting any closer. I think it's going to go north, yeah. straight across. See it. Front end up right there. It appears to be. Or so that slant right there. Yeah, it's like. I think we're okay, right? Yeah, you're right. Now, 15. Probably have to take it there. I don't want to get stuck in the elevator.
about lightning, to be honest with you.
Yeah, me too. That's the only thing I'm worried about is that lightning. I don't know if it hits it. Yeah. That's the only thing. Video. Oh, so that transformer just blew over there. That's those transformers blowing. Cancel that flight.
Yeah, I'm looking at the huge tornado going right across. Send you a picture.
There's police wheels all over this.
Are there?
I don't think it's gone around the north side.
Hey,
Hey, I'm staring at the tornado right now.
I got some good footage I'm going to show you. Oh yeah, I'm out here. It's going. It's probably about 3-4 miles north of
Can you
me.
hear me? Unless it's okay.
Yeah, I just hope we don't take
But I'm fine.
a short turn and
You see
head
how
south.
big it is? It's all over.
But it's huge.
Yeah. I have a video.
What's? Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm saying the other fire escape fire we're staging.
No, I'm
I
outside.
did for a few minutes, but not now.
Ours. Look for the one with the red sign. Get back. Get back again. I am. All right.
I don't see that.
It's not letting me send.
Wow. Look at that flame out in Tarrant. You see how
Yeah.
it's like stretched all the way to one side?
Yeah.
It's being blown. Like it's almost like a
Wow, look at the lightning. good minutes. Yeah, he's gonna hit just north of the airport. No flights will be leaving right now. No flights will be leaving in 5 minutes.
It's amazing how quickly it moves.
Yeah, look at that. And we still have power. I love it. What's that noise?
All operators coming in. All operators.
Might do something with the car today.
Yeah, I'm saying something about a deck.